Welcome back to Learn Nursing with Anila. Take a moment to pause. This time is for you. As nurses, we often give so much of our energy to others. Deep breathing is a simple but powerful calm your nervous system and reconnect with your body. Let's begin. Now, find a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and gently place your hands on your lap or by your sides. Allow your eyes to softly close. Now, inhale slowly. Now, breathe in deeply through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your chest and abdomen expand. Let the air fill your lungs completely. Now, let's hold on your breath. Hold that breath gently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let your body absorb the stillness. Now, let's exhale slowly through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the tension leaving your body with every breath out. Let's repeat this together. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold it on for next 4 seconds. And exhale the stress for 4 seconds. Again we can do the inhale the calm. Hold the stillness and exhale the stress. As you take breath, imagine breathing in clarity, strength and calm. Imagine breathing out fatigue, worries and tensions. Your body lighter, your heart steadier. Let's take one deep breath together. Inhale slowly, fill your lungs, hold and exhale fully, letting everything go. Thank you for taking these few moments to care for yourself. Remember, just a few mindful breaths can bring calm in the middle of any shift. You care for others every day. Let this be your reminder to care for you as well. Thank you for watching.